Alright guys, lesson 99 in math is nothing you don't already know. It's fraction, decimal, percent equivalence. So we've been already figuring this out. If you open up your books to page 513, you'll see that it's basically completing tables now. So it gives you, so they make this little table and it gives you fraction, decimal, and percent. And sometimes they give you well, not sometimes. They give you a part of that. So they have a fraction, I'm writing on my board, fraction, a decimal, and I'm abbreviating, and a percent, okay? And it looks something like this. And then, like in this one, they gave you the fraction, and then they have A, and they have a B, and then they have something. So they give you either the fraction or the decimal or the percent. Okay, so in this first one, they gave us the fraction. So now we need to say what the decimal is. We already know, we don't have to figure it out. So we know what the decimal is for half. It's 0.5, right? And we know what the percent is from both of these. It's 50%. Okay, so what they want you to do is fill in this chart. So now we look at the next line and we need to find C and D, and we know that like I can go easily from a decimal to a percent without doing anything except for moving my decimal. Okay, so I'm gonna go twice over, so I go 1, 2, and that gives me 30%. Okay, now this is 3/10, so here's my fraction. Okay, 3/10. 40%. The decimal's here. If I need to go backwards from a percent, I literally move my decimal twice the other way. So I'm at 40%, so my decimal is going to be 0.4. And this is 4/10. Can we leave it like that? No. We need to reduce it. So we're going to reduce it to 2/5, which I still can't write upside down. Okay, 2/5. So we reduce this fraction to 2/5. So all your fractions have to be reduced. Okay, this is nothing that you don't already know. So if we turn the page and look at the practice set, it's just finding equivalent fractions with decimals and percents. So I want you to look though quickly, I want you to make something easy for yourself. So on this first practice set, and then I'm going to write fraction, decimal, and percent. Okay, I want you to look. They give you 3/5, and you need to find A is the decimal and B is a percent. So can I easily make this into tenths? I can. So I multiply by 2 here and by 2 here. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top, right? So this is going to equal 6/10, right? That makes it easier to go to your decimal. Now 6/10 is just 0.6, right? And then your percent for 0.6 is, I move the decimal twice, so 1, 2, and I'm gonna get 60%. Okay? Make it easy on yourself if you have to. Now remember, if you don't know, you can divide to find a percent. You can divide to find the decimal, and then you can find the percent from there. Okay? I think you got this today. This is a short one. Tomorrow's not short. Today's, you got it. So go ahead and do that practice set, and then do 1 through 30. You guys got this. See you later.